Okay, the next resource I want to go through is the Moodle page, which is a web page. So if I go and add an activity or a resource, I can add a page. Now, the editor is exactly the same. The only difference now is that the name is actually what they see on the link that they're going to click on. So I'm going to make one, how to remove image background. And I'm going to add instructions down here. Now, we don't use the description in this one. We use the actual content. This is the page they're going to see. They see this. I'm going to hit return to course and show you. So they're going to see that. And by the way, I can change the name just by clicking the pencil like anything else. And if I want to go back in and edit it, I'm going to hit edit settings. Now, one of the things I use the Moodle page for is to harvest other people's pages. If I have something that I have my students read all the time and it's another site, over the years, I've had the issue happen of this site disappearing. And if it's something really important that I want to use in my class, I don't like it when it disappears. I copy it into a page in my class, giving credit to them, and have it here instead. Let me show you what I mean. Now, GIMP is a piece of image editing software that we all have on our computers, and I found this article on how to remove a background image in GIMP. Now, the problem with this article is the same problem with many websites. It's filled with ads throughout it, and I don't want all those ads, and I don't want all those links that are going to distract my students. So I have an add-on in Chrome called Reader View that I'm going to click on, and it breaks it down to just the content. This is what I want them to read, and that's it. So I go and put it on Reader View, which, by the way, you can't share that link because it's a Chrome extension and it's your Chrome extension, but I can go and take it, and then I can grab and copy this entire page. I'm going to highlight it and hit Control C, and then I'm going to go over to Moodle, and I'm going to paste it right there and hit Save and Return to Course. Now, when my students, I'm going to take it to editing mode, click on this, they go to this same article. I'm still giving Gabby credit for it. In fact, I'll usually put a link at the bottom. However, the difference is that all of it is right here. Now, some things that I'm still going to do to tweak it. You can see this picture is way bigger than Moodle lets you see. So I'm going to tweak that a little bit by clicking on those pictures. Let me go full screen. I'm going to click on those pictures and unclick and then click auto size and hit save image, and it will automatically scale that image next time. I'm just going to uncheck and then check auto size, and I'll show you what that just did. So when I shrink this down and hit save and display, those pictures that were off the screen, see how that one's shrunk down? Shrunk down, not shrunk down. So I have to go and do that with really big pictures. It showed that they were checked when I copied them, but it's a lie, right? So I do that to make all my content inside Moodle, so I no longer rely on an external website. Now, to be honest, this picture is not on Moodle. This Moodle is on Graphically.io, and realistically, they could delete that page and the pictures would go away. And if I wanted to, I could copy and paste all those pictures into Moodle too. And I'm just telling you that so that if it's really important, you may want to copy and paste those pictures into your site as well, which is not that hard, but it takes more time than what I just showed you. So that's one of the uses of a Google or a Moodle page, is to put your content there. Another use of it is to make the content better for your class. So I might have that website, and I might take a look at that website on with Brisk and see what Brisk thinks that the age level of this site is. It's inspecting the writing right now. Right there. I hit change level, and right now it thinks it's 8th grade. So realistically, it's not that bad, but I could change the grade level and say, you know, I teach a 5th grade class. I'm going to go ahead and change the reading level to 5th grade. And if I hit change reading level, Now it's going to open that Google Doc. It's going to take all the parts of that article and rewrite it for a new reading level for me. And then I can take and paste this into Moodle instead if I think that's a little better for my students. Realizing I really need to read through it to make sure they didn't change anything so much that it doesn't work anymore. Okay, so that is the page. And by the way, the icons right here match the icons right there. So you can look and see what a thing is once you get used to them by the icons. And that is the Moodle page.